everybody, my name is Morten Krogh Jepsen. I'm from Denmark, Copenhagen. I'm 25 years old and this summer I'm going to be a school teacher. It's a big honor for me representing Denmark, and I'm looking forward to meet all the competitors, to meet a new country. Never been to the Dominican Republic before, so it's of course a whole new country and it's warm. It's a little bit cold here in Denmark, so it's gonna be fun. One last thing, we don't have Speedos in the color golden in Denmark, so Dominican Republic, I hope you can help me. Nos vemos, ciao.